Grade assignment submissions from within the tool to quickly evaluate and leave feedback for learners. This tutorial shows how to grade learner submissions from within assignments. From Assignments, click the assignment you want to grade. Then locate, searching for, filtering options, or directly select the submission you want to grade. Note, when dealing with large class sizes, you can use the Results per Page dropdown to display more submissions. You can now begin your evaluation. In the document viewer, you can view or download the submission. Many file formats are compatible with the document viewer. Note, observed in person and on-paper submission will not display the document viewer and will instead increase the size of the evaluation panel. When completing an evaluation, you can directly annotate the submission. With annotations, you have access to a variety of inline marking options, such as highlighting, strike-through, notes, text boxes, and lines. For this example, we have associated a rubric with the assignment and will use it to evaluate the submission. Click the associated rubric, then assign a score for the assignment, or, as in this example, select the levels achieved. If you want to change feedback associated with a criterion, click Criterion Feedback. To remove feedback, select Clear Selection. When you are ready, click Close. Note, as you grade each submission, you can click Previous Student or Next Student to browse other submissions. This will push your rubric assessment score into the submission's overall score and Student View preview area. Note, if you created a grade item for the assignment, the score will appear in your gradebook after you publish the evaluation. Provide additional comments and suggestions in the feedback field. You can add a file or record audio as feedback. Click Save Draft to save feedback and continue grading submissions, or Publish to release your feedback. For this example, we will publish the graded submission. Click Back to Submissions to return to the assignment. Grade assignment submissions from within the tool to quickly evaluate and leave feedback for learners.